Hello again. Today being Valentine's Day, what would we want more than chocolate? So today we're going to be making the breakfast maker brownies, and we do that in our, well, that's good, isn't it? Thank God I sell Tupperware and not glassware. Okay, our Tupperware breakfast maker. Now this comes with these two little egg inserts so that you can do 2 individual eggs, or you can make omelets in here. You can make these brownies in here. There's so much you can do. You can do cinnamon rolls in here. There's so much you can do with the breakfast maker that, you know, just enough for 1 or 2 people. Just to keep you from like overindulging just a little bit. And if you're klutzy like me, it's great, because if you drop it, it's not gonna break. Okay, so what we need first is, you can use 2 packages of the hot cocoa mix, just your regular Swiss Miss hot cocoa mix or whichever you use. I happen to have a can of candy cane cocoa mix left over from Christmas, and that's what we're using today. I'm using 6 tablespoons because a package of hot cocoa mix averages 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot cocoa mix in each packet. So for 2 packets, I'm using 6 tablespoons of the candy cane hot cocoa mix. I put a pinch of salt in there just because. Anyway, because I don't know how to cook anything that doesn't have at least a little pinch of salt in it. Okay, we're going to add to this 3 cups, I've measured it out already, 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to take our handy whisk, which this is a wonderful whisk. I love this plastic whisk. It's sturdy, it doesn't bend, but it also will not tear up your bowls. So it's one of my must-have kitchen utensils. Okay, we stirred that up. And we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of, I used olive oil. You can use canola oil, corn oil, whichever cooking oil you are comfortable with and have in your kitchen. I wouldn't recommend any flavored oils like sesame oil. That'd be kind of gross. But you could use corn oil. You could use regular vegetable oil. You could use olive oil, which is pretty much the only thing I use. Corn oil, anything like that. Probably peanut oil would also work if you're not allergic to peanuts. So we're putting 2 tablespoons of our oil. We have 2 tablespoons of water, just regular tap water, with a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to put that in there. Now, we're going to stir it all together till it all gets wet and mixed together good. Alrighty. Give it a good old stir. And this is a great, like, if you're having a chocolate attack or you snack attack in the middle of the night, you don't want to get up from watching the television and go in your kitchen and dirty all your stuff. Don't want to spend hours when all you want is just a little something. So this is a great recipe for that. Cleanup's a breeze because all of this can go in your dishwasher. Your That's a Bowl Junior, your spatula, your whisk, your measuring cups, and your little breakfast maker can all go in your dishwasher. So here we go. Get that all cleaned up. Now then, this spatula is also a fabulous utensil. It is the best spatula I've ever used. My sister loves hers. Everybody that has ever used one of these loves these. And it gets all of the stuff out of your bowl. All right, now we are going to pour all of this down into our breakfast maker. Make sure we get it all. Come on now. There we go. There we go. Get all out of there. Now then, and then we're going to spread it evenly into this little breakfast maker so it comes out evenly. Okay. Now then, all right. Chocolate. Chocolate is a wonderful thing. It releases endorphins in your brain that gives you all these happy vibes, like falling in love vibes. So perfect for Valentine's Day. All right. Now we have a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, and we are going to just sprinkle those evenly onto the top of our brownie. Let's see if I can get these a little more even over here. Come on, get over here. Yeah. There you go. Let's press that out. More chocolate for me. Okay. Now then, we are going to place this, see, we're going to place this in our microwave for 90 seconds on your regular full power. Depending on your microwave. It could be anywhere from 60 to 90 seconds, anywhere from power level 7 to your full power level 10, just depending on your wattage of your microwave and the age of your microwave. For my microwave, which is a new microwave, I'm going, because I like mine firm, so 90 seconds, full power. Here we go. Be right back. Just took it out. I forgot to tell you earlier, you have to put the lid on it when you put it in the microwave to cook. So I didn't want you to forget that. But yes, now let's uncover him. See how good that looks? Nice and brownied. This is going to be my husband's Valentine tonight.